You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Polish dish, stuffed cabbage rolls. We'll be looking at how to say more names from Polish and more food names as well, so stay tuned. This is actually how you spell it in Polish, not Golabki. So it's said as gołąbki, 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 gołąbki. And now you know. Like this video. If you found it useful, I appreciate your support. Thanks for that. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video. If you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.